Five, four, three, two, one.
March 29 marks another step towards bigger goals, stronger fellowship, and positive change. Carl Sagan once said, "You have to know the past to understand the present." At JCI Lingayen, we believe that the recipe to achieving something great is accepting and learning eternal truths from the past. As we always say, look back and look up. The present is ours. Responsibility is not something you pause for the future. It is something you plan, implement, and execute today. At JCI Lingayen, we live by our mission and vision to provide development opportunities that empower young people to create positive change and to be the leading global network of young, active citizens. The future belongs to those who prepare and create it today. With the right people and extensive development design, projects that are long-term, significant objectives being met, and just the awareness of having the message of positive change come across people. That's great leadership. That's JCI Lingayen. Are you ready for the future? Join us. Be one with us. Be one of us.